Hey everyone, great job. Almost everyone's turning in all of their assignments, and I really appreciate getting those messages when people ask for help, clarification, or when they find mistakes because we're all human and we all make them, not a big deal. So I really appreciate it. Okay, so just a reminder, we have a couple reminders real quick. I will be having your student supplies from your desk put in a bag with your name on it, and they'll be available for pickup in front of Crumpton with your name on the bag on Wednesday and Thursday next week from 10 to 12. I tried to do it around the lunch pickup time so it was easy for you. If you're not able to pick it up at that time, please go to the office and they will have your stuff with the name on the front. I sure wish it would have been different circumstances and I could see you and do all that stuff. I'm sorry, it is what it is. But I am thinking of you no matter what and appreciate you. Next announcement, our school academic coach is creating a Crumpton video, We Are Family, where you can record your child, your whole family, everyone in the dancing to We Are Family, just 30 seconds, and they're going to compile those videos and share it with everyone. It's due May 1st, and if you could send it to this email as listed on Class Dojo, that'd be awesome. Next reminder, we have a morning meeting every day at 10 o'clock if you are stuck on the math and you need some extra help, or maybe one of the assignments is confusing you. Please come to the morning meeting and get some clarification on the assignments and say hi to everybody. Hope to see you there. Last announcement before we look at the work. Please return any of my books, please, 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 or library books that you have at home by May 15th in the front office. Great time to do it while you're picking up your stuff from your desk. Next week, just a reminder, that Wednesday and Thursday, it's open from 10 to 12. Okay, let's look at your work. Okay, this is our new format. We'll be doing the studies weekly just like always, and I'd like you to try to get a 70% on your test. You can take it as many times as you need to. Just let me know and I'll reassign it. But here is your goal. Notice that on Friday, Miss Lee is working it out. She has an assignment that she'll have for you. It'll be very short, but she will be expecting you to turn something in or log into her room this week, and I'll tell you more about that as it unfolds. Okay, science. We have the moon cycle and how it affects the ocean tide. We have it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tuesday and Thursday are your iReady lessons. Highly recommend that for your math lesson, I actually assigned you our new math that we're doing so you get some extra practice on ordered pairs and coordinate planes. So when you log into iReady Math, you should do the teacher assigned lesson if you want to get your extra bang for your buck this week. For math, you're going to have one Google slideshow that you're going to be completing, and I'll show you that in just a second, and of course your Percy Jackson. Let's go ahead and look at Google Classroom real quick and then we'll be done. Okay, so this is your lessons. It's not scheduled yet until the future, ha ha ha. But here is the Google slideshow. Now, because it's new math you've never done, please watch the videos first. I have this video and this video for you to watch first, and then I'd like you to give it a shot. If you want to check your answers or get help, I made you a 10-minute video and showed you how to do the first few slides. Try your best to stretch your brain and do it first before you look at the answers, okay? Getting ready for 6th grade. Other than that, I just wanted to remind you to share your work, the share button. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, after you're done with your quiz or your assignment, make sure you mark it as done or push the share button on your math, okay? I hope you have an awesome day. Please let me know if you need any help. I'm there for you. Have a great day.